little artists. Welcome back to MR.Painter. Today, we're going to color a very funny and famous toy. It's Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story. Get your colored pencils ready. Let's make him look awesome. Let's start with Mr. Potato Head's big potato-shaped body. I'm using a light brown color. It looks just like a real potato. Make sure to color it smoothly and evenly. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. I love drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? What do you want to draw? Let me know in the comments. Let's color his arms now. They're short and white, just like gloves. His ears are pink and round, and he wears a big black hat on his head. He looks like a fancy toy now. Now for his funny face. His eyes are big and white, with small black pupils. His nose looks like a little orange carrot. And that mustache, super cool and black. He looks so serious. Don't forget the shoes. They're big and blue. And we're done. Look at Mr. Potato Head. He looks so cool and colorful. Great job, my little artist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Painter for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye.